Hey guys, it's KT Temple, and we just finished Database Mastery in KW Weston, and I am here with
Rose
and
Terry.
Terry, and we just wrapped up. How did you guys like the class?
We loved it.
Amazing, amazing.
It was such an honor to do this class with Melissa today. It was wonderful. It was just an honor to be here in class. And I am a newbie to real estate in Georgia. However, I feel like every person that's coming in should actually have this class. This is really important. This is a great starting point.
What was your big takeaway?
All right, I would say that you really broke things down. And one of the main things is how you taught us to create smart plans and separate things. There's a lot to learn, but you went in depth with everything. So there I have so many notes, and it's just hard to just pick one. So I'm going to say that the entire class was really
Awesome. Thank you.
Okay, so what I loved most about this class was the opportunities pipeline. The pipeline checklists were spot on. I never want to miss an opportunity to touch base with my clients, and these checklists are the way to go.
Awesome. Well, I really appreciate you guys coming to class. Thank you so much.
Thank you for helping.
Okay, everybody, hi, I'm Ray Wayne, and I'm here in Sarasota, Florida at this beautiful, beautiful market center. I did a morning class about branding, build your brand without breaking the bank. I did an afternoon class about survive and thrive in this industry. And I'm here with two of our beautiful attendees, and they're going to tell you what they thought of our day.
Today was an amazing day, well worth the time, and I appreciate all of the information that I've learned. I'm a newer agent, less than 2 years in the business, and I'm ready to implement everything I've learned today.
And she was awesome and participated a lot, so thank you.
Many
for that.
thanks.
Thank you. Honey?
I'm a new agent as well. I've been in the business for 2 years. I got a lot of good nuggets today. The instructor was awesome, and I'll be calling her for coaching.
Very sweet of you.
Thank you, ladies. Okay.
Hi, my name is Angel. I want to say thank you, Melissa. You were amazing. I mean, so much information, so much knowledge. I really, really appreciate you. And I cannot wait to use all of the tactics, all of the strategies that you taught us in class on my business. So I appreciate you and wishing you the best.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello, I'm Ray Wayne, one of the instructors for FES, and I'm here today in beautiful Sarasota, Florida. And I was just teaching a class about branding, build your brand without breaking your bank. And this is Paolo, one of our attendees. And Paolo hated the class. No, I'm kidding.
No, it was a great class. I mean, it's a lot of great information. Like she said, you're not going to break your bank with any of this branding because it's all the stuff you should be doing all the time. And then she even threw in some stuff that you will have to spend a little bit of money, but the point is, it's all great information for whether you're a new agent, solo agent, team agent, or if you're even a little experienced and you need to get back to basics. Which you should never leave, but sometimes you have to.
Thank you.
Hey everybody, I just had a fantastic class with Melissa. We were talking about the shift, and I believe that now I'm really ready to get out there. I have a game plan. We did our 411. I'm ready to set my goals and my intentions and actually become that millionaire real estate agent. So I'm really grateful for everything that she gave, and just know that if you take this class and you take a class with her, you're going to walk away changed.
All right, listen, guys. Brand new agent has her first closing coming up. Multiple offers on her first listing. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.